Assalamu alaikum, bonjour. Welcome to my channel AAM-Tech. Hope all is good with you. Today we are going to this fascinating trip through the seasons. Then we will look at the vocabulary used in weather reports in French language. So let's get started right away. So today we start the name of seasons. We know there are 4 seasons and how we will say in French: l'hiver, le printemps, l'été, l'automne. So whenever we'll describe anything in French language, we will use il y a. So when we say in English, there are 4 seasons in a year. So how we'll say in French? Il y a 4 saisons dans l'année. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the first one. Le printemps. Le printemps. Spring. Then we have l'été, summer. Then we have l'automne. Afterwards we have l'hiver, winter. Now we will see vocabulary of weather report. In French we say la météo. First one is le soleil, la pluie. Le soleil means sun. La pluie, rain. Les nuages, clouds. L'orage, storm. L'ouverglace, ice. La neige, snow. L'arc-en-ciel, rainbow. Le vent, wind. La chaleur, the warm weather when you say la chaleur. Le froid, cold. Now we will see first word, le soleil. Le nuage. Le vent. La pluie. Un arc-en-ciel. L'orage, storm. Then we have le foudre, lightning. Okay, this one is storm and this one is lightning. Then we'll have, let's start with the word problem. Ask what the French weather is like. Learn il fait to describe the weather. Learn il y a to continue describing the weather in French. And then il avec verb. Il with the you use the verb here. So we'll see one by one. First one is il fait. So before describing il fait, let me go backward and describe you the actually word temps. Le temps, this word is used in 2 ways. This is basically means time. Le temps qui passe, one way is le temps qui passe, the time that passes with a calendar, for example, clock, your age. And second way, we'll use temps, le temps qu'il fait for the weather. So here you see, quel temps fait-il? This is about they're asking for the weather. So when we'll use le temps qui passe. For example, you'll say like aujourd'hui, je n'ai pas le temps. Je suis trop occupé. This means that you are so much busy and you don't have time. Now for the weather, when you use the temps in weather point of view, then you'll say quel temps fait-il? So for that, you'll answer in three ways. Either when you are going to describe the weather, you say il y a, okay? And when actually happens and you tell anyone else il fait. And third way is you use il with verb. So let's check it out one by one. First one is il fait. How use il fait? Il fait beau. Il fait chaud. Il fait beau means sunny day. Il fait chaud. It's a hot day. Il fait doux, mild. Il fait bon. It also means good weather. Il fait froid, cold one. Il fait mauvais. So bad weather. You didn't like one, so it's a bad weather, you'd say. Il fait. Il pleut. It means it is raining. Il neige. It is snowing. Il grêle. It means it is hailing. Il vent means it's windy. Let's start with il y a. Il y a basically is one of the most powerful expression in French for describing anything. So here you see il y a du soleil. There is sun. Il y a des nuages. There are clouds. Il y a du vent. It's windy. Il y a du verglas. There is a black ice. Il y a un arc-en-ciel. There is a rainbow. Let's see some more vocabulary. What we say sky in French. Le ciel. That is sky. Le ciel est bleu. The sky is blue. Le ciel est gris. The sky is gray. Gris is the name of the color. Le ciel est couvert. The sky is overcast or covered. Le ciel est nuageux. The sky is cloudy. Don't forget the temperature when describing weather forecast in French. When we talk about weather, we also talking about temperature. By the way, in French, the word is température. Température. For example, we'll ask how hot or cold is it outside. In French, we'll say quelle température fait-il dehors? Okay. So you need to know what temperature system we use in France. We use le degré. For example, il fait 20 degrés, il fait 0 degrés, il fait moins de. So what does it mean? Il fait 20 degrés, 20 degrees. Then it means 0 degree. It means minus 2 degree. Hope you will find it interesting and better way to describe the weather with temperature in French. Merci beaucoup for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting contents. À bientôt mes amis. Allah Hafiz.